so we're back with another fun video. This time it's Thanksgiving, so little Phoebe's going to help me with this one. So I started off by placing the hair into pigtails, and then using 2 small donuts, I'm just kind of placing that hair over them to create a bun. So don't worry too much about what the bun looks like, 'cause it's going to get covered up. So I'm just kind of using some grips there to secure that into place. So just wrapping the hair around. If you haven't got a donut, don't worry, just make an ordinary bun. You haven't got to have the donuts. It's just Phoebe's got quite fine hair. So I'm just kind of wrapping that round, securing it into place with some hair grips, and then you're going to grab some orange socks. So I'm just cutting the end off here. I wished I'd have gone for a slightly smaller sock, but it's not, so it doesn't matter. It's only a bit of fun anyway. So just placing that over the bun, and then I'm kind of using my fingers to kind of really squidge that underneath the bun. So make sure it's right the way in there. And then you're going to come to the other side and snip the end off that sock. And again, just place it over the other side, the other bun. Phoebe's loving this bit. Yeah, so really squidge it in, and in a minute you'll see I'll get a comb and just kind of make sure those edges are all the way underneath. Once you're happy, you're going to grab some pipe cleaners. We went for green and brown. We're going to make the stalks. So I just kind of twisted those together until I was happy with how it looked, and then grabbed the other one and just measured up, making sure they're both the same length. And you're going to pop these in the top. So to do that, you're going to grab some scissors and just snip a little tiny bit at the top of the sock there. And then once you've done that little tiny hole, grab your stalk, push it in. That's it. So I'm just kind of wiggling that through the bun there until you're happy that it's going to stay. And then I kind of just bent the ends over a little bit. I love styles like this. They're so silly, but they're so much fun to do. So then we just grab some leaves. Why not? Pin these into place, grab some leaves for the other side, pin these into place. These aren't real leaves, but you could use real leaves if you wanted to. So yeah, I'm happy with where that side is, pinning this side into place, and then we're going to have a good look in a minute at the finished result. Little Phoebe, look how cute she is. Yeah, I love this style. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think.